Hi, I'm Chris Matthew from the Intel RealSense team. If you're a Python developer and you're interested in building a facial authentication application using the brand new RealSense ID 450 or 455 facial authentication device, then this episode is for you. We've just launched a brand new Python package module that lets you natively enroll users onto this device, as well as do your authentication calls natively from Python. So let me show you how that works. So we're going to go to pypy.org. This is the Python package installer, and we're going to search RealSense ID, hit enter, and sure enough, there it is, RealSense ID version 0.38.2 at the time of this recording. Let's click it, and what you'll see is it's as simple as running pip install RealSense ID, or version if you want a specific version. And then there's a couple of examples here on running the authentication directly from Python, as well as running the enrollment, managing users enrolled on the camera. So let's take this example here. I copied this to my editor, and I called it test.py. I'm running it on COM4, and you notice you simply call main on face detection. It runs this logic, and then on the result of the authentication, success or failure, it runs this logic. So native Python programmers can integrate RealSense ID, facial authentication, and spoofing directly into their Python code. So let's jump to a terminal and show you how this works. So remember, it said pip install RealSense ID. I've already installed it, so you'll see it says requirement already satisfied. But if we run python test.py, this was the source code I just walked through on COM4. I'm going to hit enter. I see a little red light on my camera flash, and sure enough, it says authentication status success and authenticated user Chris. It doesn't get any easier than that. So there you have it. Stay tuned for more fun innovations coming your way. And if you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel. If you'd like more information on Intel RealSense facial authentication, go to our website. It's intelrealsense.com/facial-authentication. See you soon.